YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one is the new and latest iPhone 17 Air. It's 256 gigabyte with the black color. So I purchased this through AT&T. Since there's no trade-in, and then they were running a promotional price, $12.99 a month with the 36 months payment. So the total damage to come out to be around like $468. There's no upgrade fee since my wife worked for USD. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and check it out. So the retail price on this was like $1,099, but unfortunately I had to pay the tax based on that price. So I think it's about 100 something bucks. There's the number, cell phone number here. Then I'm gonna take it out. So it is pretty slim, like the Samsung Edge. Got the iPhone right here. It's a black Apple logo. iPhone. Black Apple like logo again. So yeah, you need to peel this sticker with a green arrow from left to right. I guess I need to peel the bottom too. Wow. So unfortunately, my son did not buy the glass screen protector yet, so I'm not gonna peel this off because the linen and dust will get on there. And I told him to get a case. I guess he procrastinates, so too bad he cannot use it right now. So yeah, the button is pretty tactile. Unfortunately, the Air only comes with one camera. Super thin. So there's this photo button right here. Wake and power button right here. USB Type-C charging port. Yeah, unfortunately, this one only has one speaker, so. And they come with this braided USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Yeah, unfortunately, you cannot slide it out. You have to open the whole cardboard. Wow, so this time around they don't even come with the sticker anymore, the decal, Apple logo decal, so. Then that's it. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. There you have it. I'm not gonna take it all the way because I need to put the screen protector on there before the lens get on there. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video, and be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.